welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we're doing part 3 where we're going to find domain and range from a graph. Remember, domain is our x and range is the y values. So for this first one, we've got a circle that goes between -3 and 3 on the x and on the y. So that has a radius of 3. So for our domain, we're going to look at what x's got used. We started here at -3 and we went all the way up here to +3. We used every number in the middle. That circle doesn't go outside of that. So if we're doing it with regular notation, using greater than and less than signs, we're going to say that x is going to be between -3 and 3. And I put equal signs on those because I did use the -3 and the +3. If we're doing interval notation in our class, we're going to do -3 to 3 like that. And then the range is the same thing. It went down to -3. I used everything all the way up to +3. So we're going to do -3 is less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 3. That tells me that y is between -3 and 3. And if we're doing interval notation, it looks like that. -3 to 3 with the square brackets on it, not parentheses. For number 2, let's look at the domain. The x starts at 0 and it's going to go up to 2. But I used the 0, so it gets an equal sign. I do not use the 2. It has an open circle. And for those of you doing interval notation, we do a bracket on the 0, a square bracket on the 0, and then a parenthesis on the 2. For the range, the only number that got used for the range is 1. That is a horizontal flat line. So we're going to say y equals 1. And then I've seen some teachers write it like this for interval notation. So just follow your teacher's lead on that one. But the only thing we use for the range is 1. For 3, our domain, here's the ending points. They go between -2 and 2, but I'm not using the -2 or the 2. See those open circles? So for the domain, we would do -2, no equal sign, and then the 2 don't get an equal sign either. So x is between -2 and 2. If we're doing interval notation, it would look like that. Parentheses, because we're not using them. And then the range, we start way down here at -4, but we're not using it. And we go all the way up to 1. And 1, we do need an equal sign. We are using 1. It actually touches there. And for interval notation, we do a parenthesis and then a square bracket. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We'd love to get you set up with some tutoring sessions with our certified math teachers. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you see the newest videos when we post them. Have a great day.